A lot of times when you have a drum brake get stuck on, luckily nowadays they give you 2 threaded holes. So what you do is you get a bolt, fits the holes, thread them in, and it's going to act like a puller because it pulls against the hub of the axle. So to tighten it up, you can use a ratchet, or in this case a 3/8 impact gun. Just tighten them up equally. The longer the bolts, the better. The longer the thread. As you see, is breaking loose. But this one is very, very difficult, like last time. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. Boom! There you go, off. We pulled the brake shoes off with it because it was on so tight, but no big deal because we are replacing it. So that's how you do it, simple as that. If you don't have threaded holes, you're going to have to resort to hammering the brake drum with a hammer, and possibly when it's off a little bit off the hub, stick a pry bar in there and just keep prying against it, and we'll get it off eventually. See our witness marks on the hub where we were pulling against. But that's how you do it, easy as that. The main reason why the brake drums get stuck on is that the shoe wears. I mean, not the brake shoe wears into the drum. You see, this one's pretty worn. And it leaves a lip on the outer edge, and that's what catches all around the shoes. When you're trying to lift the drum off, you feel it with your finger right here. It's a big indentation. So ideally, these drums, if you want to reuse them, should have them resurfaced or just purchase new ones.